While India is moving towards the end of Unlock 3, the country continues to battle with a variety of problems, ranging from reviving the economy to saving lives of millions of people in this pandemic. With all these latest news coming up, I'm Mansi Mathur. Welcome you all with the top stories of the day. India reports more than 60,000 fresh cases of Covid-19 in the last 24 hours. With this, the total tally of Covid-19 has crossed the 31.5 lakh mark. As per the data released by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the number of recovered people is more than 3 times that the number of active cases in the country. Talking about how the Covid-19 pandemic is affecting countries across the globe, researchers at the University of Hong Kong have claimed that they have found a Hong Kong man who is infected with Covid-19 for the second time in a row. This is first such case that is documented in the country. Worldwide infections have crossed 23 million mark and have reported over 8 lakh deaths. The state of Maharashtra is battling at dual ends. On one hand, the state is battling with a rising number of Covid-19 cases, and on the other, a high-rise building has collapsed in the state, leaving several injured. Nearly 25 people are still feared to be trapped after a 5-storey building collapsed in Maharashtra's Raigad district around midnight. One person has reportedly died in the incident, and 60 people have been rescued so far. 3 teams of NDRF have been deployed in the area, while 12 teams of fire brigade have reached the spot. President Ramnath Kovind, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah have expressed their condolences on their Twitter handles and have assured the state government of all the possible assistance. To revive the growth of Indian economy, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has introduced new changes to GST. In a major move to boost the strength of businesses in India, the Finance Ministry has announced that businesses with an annual turnover of up to Rs 40 lakhs are exempted from GST. Earlier, this limit was up to Rs 20 lakh. Out of a total number of 230 items in the 28% slab, about 200 items have been shifted to lower tax slabs. On the first death anniversary of former Finance Minister Arun Jaitley, the ministry acknowledged that GST is both consumer and taxpayer friendly. Moving on, in a recent twist of events, Attorney General of India K.K. Venugopal has requested the Supreme Court of India to forgive activist lawyer Prashant Bhushan by saying that he should be given a warning and let off. Recently, Prashant Bhushan has refused to say sorry and said that insincere apology would amount to contempt of my conscience and of the institution. On August 14, the Supreme Court of India had pronounced the lawyer guilty of contempt of court. Moving on to some positive news coming up. Popular music band BTS has rolled out a new song, Dynamite, and is now breaking the internet. The song has been viewed more than 100 million times in the last 24 hours. With this, Dynamite became the first song to achieve 100 million views in a single day. With that, we come to the end of this bulletin. Till then, stay tuned for more updates and keep watching Snoopbox.